All right. Just to brief you, my name is Miss Susan. Okay. I'm taking the P4 Math for today. For Saturday. So welcome on board. So I understand that Clara is having some difficulties in her camera. No problem for that. For Joel, yours is working fine. Ken. Okay, so any question, if you think you want to raise or always stop me, all right, appropriately. If you need to go to the toilet, please go ahead, all right, but do come back lah. Just put in the chat function, say you're going to the toilet. Okay, then the next thing is do not scribble on my screen, okay, because other students are also watching. Okay, come. Let's go to the question. We are now doing the revision topical. All right. So for Joel, you can actually take out your writing material like paper, pen to work out the sums. Okay. Are you ready with your writing material or not, Joel? Get ready your paper. Later, I will speak to Joel Mommy after the lesson, huh? Okay. All right. So first question say, Peter traveled so much distance along the road trip. Okay. So this is the distance. You are supposed to do rounding off estimation to the nearest 100. The question say nearest 100. Okay. So 43,458. Where is the 100 column? Because they want it to round off to the 100. So what I do now is I want to make sure that I have I give it a more space, 43, 4, 5, 8. So this is the ones column, tens column, hundreds column, thousands column. In fact, I can stop here first, okay? I don't want to go on, because the question basically says that it is rounding off to the nearest 100. Okay, so what I want you to do, go to the hundreds. 100 has how many zero? 2, right? So you count 1, 2. Okay, we are going to cut off from here and we look at the tens column. Draw a line here and underline. So you see, when we draw a line, underline, we are now looking at 5. Anything number that is greater than 5 or equal to 5, we must round it to the hundreds column by adding 1 to the hundreds place. Okay, so once we already round it to the 1 to the hundreds column, we have to add 1 to 4. All right. So it will become, draw curvy equal line, no straight lines. So you have 43,000, and now the 100 become 5, and the remaining will remain at no more 0, 0. Okay, do not ignore them. The zeros are important because they are really the place value. So this is called the nearest 100. Okay, nearest 100. Is it very difficult to read? Okay, let me put it neatly here. So what is your answer? 43500, which is the same answer that you have gotten from here. And this is option number D. Okay, so P4 rounding off is important. Do check that. So our keyword is you count the number of value zeros. How many zeros you see? Then you must draw a line and underline the place value the next to it. Anything 5 and above, okay, you can actually plus 1 to round it off to the next place value. Okay. All right. Question number 2. Question number 2 says, let's read this. The product of two numbers. So they say the product? Two numbers, and the answer is 92. One of the numbers is 4. What is the other number? So he's asking you for the other number, which is unknown. Okay, so first thing first. Okay, Joel, can you answer my question? What do you understand from the word product? Joel, you know the answer? You must unmute in order for you to speak. What is the meaning of product? Clara, do you know what is the meaning of product in this statement here? Sorry, Clara, what did you say?
Plus times.
Times. Oh, Clara say times. Product means multiply. Very good. Wow, that's a good response. Multiply, okay? So meaning to say there must be two numbers here. Something multiply by the something. Okay, and that give you 92 from here. Okay, and one of the number is 4. So what is this number? So now the question is how to find that question mark. Who can suggest what to do? Anyone? Okay, well, can you suggest how to find the unknown number there? Any idea, Joel?
92 divided by 4.
Very good. 92 can divided by 4. So this one you have to do the long division. So 2, 8. Sorry, wait a while. 1, bring down 3. Okay, so your answer is 23 for this. Option number A. So far, so good, huh? Okay, give me a thumbs up. You know the emoji or not? You know how to use the emoji? The emoji, last time my student taught me how to use emoji. There's, yeah. Thanks, Clara. Yeah. Well, you know how to use the emoji or not? The one, you have 3 dots. Yeah. Okay. I also want to respond. Wait, where to find my emoji? Wait, Clara, any idea? Can you teach me how to use the emoji?
You must click on the smiley face at the bottom.
Smiley face. But where to get the smiley face? Oh, I cannot find that. I know it is something like the 3 dot. There the 3 dot. Reactions, is it under reaction? Yeah, I think, yeah. Okay, good. Okay. Thank you, Clara. Okay, then I go on to question number 3. Let's check it out. An odd number when rounded off to the nearest thousand is 7,000. What is the smallest possible value for this odd number to be? Okay, so let's check. What is the first thing they give you? The condition. It must be an odd number. And this odd number, when it was rounding to the nearest thousand, okay, and it is 7,000. Oh, okay, so 7,000. Which of the following is the smallest possible value of this odd number? Okay, now you can say, teacher, I know the answer straight away. Okay, but wait, the thing is that how are we going to prove that the answer given there is also correct? Later I'll tell you why. Okay, I'm going to use a number line to represent this. When it is rounded to the nearest thousand, it became 7,000. So meaning to say, the one in the front and one at the back, this one is 6,000. Then this is 8,000. Correct? So now we are going to look for the midpoint. 6,500, 6,700. Okay? Why do I need this? Because this is the guide where will tell me where will they be, where will they move to when rounding off to the nearest thousand. So if I look at the midpoint, 6,005 is here. This is nearer to 6,007, but this is an even number. Okay, so not possible. If this is an even number, who can tell me what is the another odd number after 5600? He wanted this odd number. So who can tell me what is this odd number? Anyone? Clara also can. Joel? What is the odd number there? Can it be 6,400 something? How about Clara? Do you know the answer? It must be greater than 6,500. So in order to get it to the odd number, what do? You plus 1. Okay? So means what? Plus 1. So you get down to 6,501. Okay, then you will say, why you choose a 6,501? Why not a 6,499? Why can't we do that? So this is something addition to what you are learning. Then you can say, here have what? 6,499. It's also odd number. Why can't we go, use this? No, because for 6,499, it will be nearer to the 6,000. It won't go to 7,000. So that's why this is not. Okay, this is out. Therefore, the only possible number is 6,501. Okay, then you will have say, sure, then I know. You see, because this is the only odd number you have, I can choose from here straight away. Yes, for this question, I know. Okay, but I want to do proving to let you understand better. All right, because you will say this is even number is out. Don't do that. Okay, understand the basic. That is more important. Next question. Can I go on? So far, can I see any question from you? Don't have, Okay, next question. Which of the following statement is correct? That means it's true. Okay, let's check out. Let's check this. It wants to be true, correct. Okay, A, 3010 times 3010 times 5 is actually 150. Okay, so this is cross. Is 30 times 5 is 150 tens. So the statement is wrong. So number B, the product. Let's check. B, the product says product this and this is this. Let's check it out. See whether does this help in understanding. Okay, so this is 36, 27, 20. You should be able to multiply by now. Okay. So this one is wrong. This one should be 2076. Okay. Let me double confirm it. Okay. Wait. 12 plus this is 14. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so this is 14 instead.